In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add follower alerts to OBS Studio. But before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to enhance your OBS setup with follower alerts. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into the guide. Now, you probably have OBS Studio downloaded and installed. If not, you can find the download link in the description. Once you've opened OBS Studio, you might be wondering how to add an alert box. Unlike Streamlabs OBS Studio requires an extra step to set up alerts. We'll be using Stream Elements to integrate alerts into OBS Studio. Visit streamelements.com and log in with your Twitch account. From the dashboard, click on Streaming Tools on the left and then select My Overlays. If you don't have overlays set up, you can follow other videos on our channel to do so. Click on New Overlay and choose your overlay resolution. Most likely, you're streaming at 1080p, but you can confirm your settings in OBS. Click Start to create the overlay. Now, on the left-hand side, click Add Widget, select Alerts, and then choose Alert Box. You'll see options for different alerts like follower, subscriber, tip, etc. For simplicity, we'll focus on the follower alert. You can customize the appearance, sound, and layout of the alert. The default settings work fine, but you can click on the gear icon to make adjustments. Once you're done, click Save and name the overlay. Click on Copy Overlay URL to copy the URL to your clipboard. Now, switch to OBS Studio. In the Sources section, add a new source by clicking the plus button. Choose Browser, name it Alerts, and paste the copied URL in the box. Set the width to 1920 and height to 1080 for 1080p streaming. Click OK. Save your changes, and now you have your alerts integrated into OBS Studio. You can move and customize the alert box as you wish. Remember to save any changes you make on Stream Elements. You can test your alerts by using the Emulate feature and selecting the event you want to simulate. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.